I had a sunstroke, and following that, one day I just got fever and I was flat out on the bed. I couldn't get up. I couldn't even go to the washroom. It came so suddenly. And then it was quite chaotic because my husband was posted in Srinagar and we have two children. So I had to take some help at home. So I had two wheelchairs in the house, one to take in the car and one to go to the washroom by myself. I couldn't even hold a tumbler of water. My hand used to shake. The arthritis had affected every part. I couldn't lift my hand to eat with the spoon. So I would have to bend down and somehow eat. It affected the entire system.
ఓకే.
So I was bedridden.
అంటే కంప్లీట్ గా చేతులు, అరచేతులు, మోచేతులు, కాళ్ళు,
Yes.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
Everything.
ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ
Yes.
గాన్.
No strength in the legs to stand up, no strength in the hands, in the fingers, and severe pain. I used to actually cry in the night quietly so that nobody could hear me, but the pain was all over the body, racking the body. First, when I consulted the orthopedic specialist, he said there is some medicine you have to take all your life. I've got a little bit of inhibition about taking some medicines.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
So I never took it, especially allopathy. Then it so happened that while I was in the state, I tried to continue to work, to travel abroad. I would go to work in a wheelchair. Somebody would take me from the car into the office, come back. I did that for about 2 years. 2011, I gave up. And that is how, at that point, when I had no option, the doctor said we have to do a knee replacement. And I was not convinced that a knee replacement would help me because one knee they are going
Yeah,
to
yeah.
change. He said, ma'am, you're 50 years old. How can you live the rest 30 years of life in a wheelchair? You come tomorrow, I will schedule an emergency operation for you. I said, okay. And that next day never went to the hospital.
యువర్ ఫియర్ ఆఫ్ మెడిసిన్స్,
Yes,
డాక్టర్స్,
medicines,
హాస్పిటల్స్.
doctors. So that is how coincidentally my neighbor told me about Sindhuji.
When someone told you that you need to go to this place and meet Sindhujamma, tell me, with all your intellect and knowledge over years and your trust towards medicine or medical field or knowledge towards medicines or whatever it is, మీకు ముందుగా ఇనీషియల్గా ఆ ట్రస్ట్ వచ్చిందా, నమ్మకం వచ్చిందా, ఏమనిపించింది? అంటే ఇన్నిన్ని వైద్యాలు చూశాను కదా, అవి ఏమి క్యూర్ చేయలేను, ఇది ఎలా చేస్తుంది అన్న ఒక ఒక అపనమ్మకం, ఒక డౌట్ అట్లాంటివి వచ్చాయా మీకు?
I felt if something comes to you unexpectedly from a
Okay.
source you don't even know,
ఓకే.
there is a message,
ఓకే.
there is an opportunity.
నైస్.
So there's no harm going and meeting.
గ్రేట్.
And if there is a treatment which has helped somebody, I should try it. There is
Very
no
nice.
harm. And I believe that, the body is very intelligent. If only you don't confuse it with your own thoughts. You trust the body, and often I tell my body, I'm very sorry I'm putting you through this pain, but I'm sure you'll get well. I'm sure you're working very hard. I'll give you some rest and relaxation. You get well.
Wow.
I have conversations
All is
like
well.
that. And I find the body, if you just rest, like, when I'm walking and it pains, initially this, I will sit for 2 minutes while my milk is boiling, sit in the kitchen, and I'll just energize my ankle. And after that, I'll be able to work for 4 hours without a problem.
Wow.
That much energy, the concept of energy going in and sorting out the problems of your body is a very powerful one. And
Wonderful.
Sindhuji practices that 100%.
Yeah.
It starts from yourself,
Yes.
and if you let the energy stabilize, everything will work out.
So you went to Amma. What happened after that?
So first thing she said when she saw me, she's very good at finding out the problem even before touching you. Look at you and say, oh, I know where your problem is. And you'll get well. No problem. Come.
That's it.
That's it. That confidence when somebody gives you, and she is like family. She is so enthusiastic. There is no sadness when you go to her. Like if you go to a doctor, he'll be thinking of all the patients and he'll say, oh, this looks very bad. She is so positive. And that positive energy, just if you allow it to enter you, it will work wonders. So That enthusiasm, the joyfulness, the atmosphere in her center. You go and sit there, you forget about your pains, you listen to the music. People will come with all problems, you'll watch them. And I used to encourage them. Don't worry, you'll get okay. I've been in a wheelchair, I'm getting better, I'm coming with a walker. Yours is nothing, you'll get okay. They will come with problems, and I will be encouraging them as if I'm in a great position myself. But I'll tell them, just stick it out, be patient, it will work. Just give your body a chance, give
Yeah.
Sindama a chance, give yourself a chance. Just relax, let it work. Let God's healing energies coming through her work in you.